So well guys, if you see here in my hand, CPL T24 is the new model. Lot of function there. See the product. Let me show you inside the specifications, quality of product and the features. So well guys, you can see here this is a CPL T24 model, and this one kind of torch. Let me start from here. There's a one push button, okay? So when you push button, the stand will be open, okay? Please stand open. And when you open the stand from here, torch come out, okay? You can see here, this is this kind of stand, okay? So if you keep table on the table, this one kind of table lamp, okay? You can on from here, and table lamp, yellow color, then you can see more power and then more. So this one kind of decoration piece and one kind of table lamp, okay? So well guys, if you open more legs from here, this one kind of torch come out, okay? And you can make height like half meter or 1 meter, okay? So like this much torch keep for the barbecue and a lot of things, means whenever on the floor, on down floor you want to do work, okay? Here's the button, okay? You can turn on, off, everything. So this is one kind of remote. Can remove from here and working as like remote, you see. Far away you can use this one kind of torch and make off. After that you can remove from here. And so well guys, this is now is a torch, okay? Torch, and here's a button you can press, and one kind of torch is here. Yeah guys, you see there, this one is torch, very strong, multifunction, blinking, and you see here slow, fast, then more fast, okay? Very strong torch. And here you can see is a magnet system, okay? Very strong magnet, can show you here, you see, very strong magnet, okay? There's a magnet system. If you see here, there is a hook system, okay? You can keep in the inside the tent, okay? Now you can see here height. If I show you height here, height like a 1.9 meter, okay? 1.9 meter. And if you want to use from here, can use. Otherwise you have to take the remote. This working like a camping button, you see. From here you can make on, off, everything. So well guys, this is the torch, one kind of torch, have a lot of functions, okay? I explained to you. So Tobys always try to do best for you and bring best product. So if you want make order, visit our their outlets, dragonmart branches, tobys.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba as well. Stay with us. Thank you for watching video. See you for next video. Bye bye.